Shoei X14 helmet with Sony camera setup. Over the winter 2 years ago, I decided to upgrade my motovlogging camera setup along with my helmet. For the helmet, I chose a Shoei X14 that retails for $959.99 Canadian. For the camera, I chose the Sony FDR-X3000 4K and the Sony HDR-AS300 action cameras. They retail for $699 and $549 respectively, but sometimes can be found on sale. To mount the camera, I ordered a Sena 10C camera helmet mount and modified it to accept the Sony waterproof case. The Sony waterproof case was disassembled and painted flat black to help it blend in with the helmet. I cut a slot in the back of the case so I could attach the external microphone cable and, if necessary, an external power supply. The case is no longer waterproof, but the camera is water resistant, so unless I encounter torrential rains, this would not be a problem. Sony cameras are able to run off an external battery supply without any modification. The only thing I've discovered is the USB micro connector has to be a normal length connector on it. Some suppliers sell USB cables with extra long connectors, and although they would appear to be supplying power, they tend to work loose and your camera then returns to internal battery. This can be troubling, as any 4K video can deplete a standard internal battery in 25 to 30 minutes. The first microphone I tried was a Sony ECMCS3 clip-on style omnidirectional stereo microphone. This is an excellent unit and produces extremely good audio. Unfortunately, it doesn't work well with my Honda RC51 due to the constant whine from its gear-driven cams. Surprisingly, a generic lavalier microphone was substituted and works very well. Although the sound quality is not as good as the ECMCS3, it does not pick up the steady whine of my gear-driven cams. I also covered the microphone with a Furry outdoor microphone windscreen muff. They are sold in 5-packs on Amazon. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the new setup. With the waterproof case, I can choose which action camera I will use and swap them out in minutes. I can use internal battery or the external if I'm going out for an extended ride. In the 2 years now that I've been using this setup, my only problem encountered so far is forgetting to plug in the external microphone and occasionally forgetting to hit the record button on the camera remote. And every motovlogger's nightmare, the dreaded bug blocking the camera lens. If you have any questions, leave them in the description and I'll try to answer them. DeathsStalker signing off.